Your body camera's on. Why are you so nervous?
I'm not nervous.
On September 28, 2025, officers were dispatched to a Hampton Hotel in response to a reported domestic incident.
Hey, boss, what's going on?
What's up, Fred?
What's going on, man?
That's it.
Everything okay?
Oh, yeah. She's gonna go wherever you want to take her.
Please.
Okay. Yeah, I can
That's
take you
it.
somewhere.
There's no domestic, so if you want to make it domestic, we can do
I didn't
that.
say there was.
All right, so then what are you pulling up for?
Because someone called, said there
Who
was someone out
called?
here
Who
yelling.
called? Who called? Who
Stop.
called?
The front desk.
The front desk? What's up?
Right here, we already see the first red flag. The subject insists there's no domestic. Yet officers are responding to a third-party call, the hotel front desk, reporting yelling. Legally, that's enough to investigate. Officers don't need permission from either party to assess safety. And notice the contradiction. He claims everything is fine while simultaneously insisting she's not safe. That mixed messaging immediately raises officer concern. Let me ask you, if you're truly calm and in control, why does every explanation sound defensive?
Is he good to stay here or no?
No. No?
He's gonna give you things when we go.
Back.
He's gonna give you
I'm taking her car.
She is not safe.
She's not safe?
I bought this car. I bought this Uber right here for her. She needs to go in.
You bought that Uber?
They need to go in different. Okay.
Then I got her trained.
Are you fine with him
She
taking it?
asked me to get that Uber for her. She came down.
Officer, I don't know what you're doing, but
Don't touch me.
hey, don't touch me either. You're cornering my space. What are you talking about? I know what you're doing.
And you're under arrest.
You touch me and you corner my space, you're under
I'm not
my
cornering
authority.
your space.
What are you
I'm
talking
getting
about?
between you
You're
and
cornering
him.
my space. I'm gonna tell you again.
Listen.
You corner my space, it's
Hey.
gonna go difficult for you. What are you talking
There's
about?
you're gonna be arrested.
Well, hey, I'm telling you right now.
Listen.
I'm with it.
There's zero reason.
And there is
Let's have
zero
an issue.
reason. Why is your officer cornering me then?
Because you're walking around a lot.
What do you mean? I didn't walk
Just
nowhere. I
stand-
walked here.
between you and him.
And what do you mean? All right, go ahead. Step between him. He's so scary. All right, there you go. You got his demeanor, right? You got his demeanor, right? I'm well aware of what I'm doing. Y'all got me f***ed up.
Can you just
I'm
stop
well
for a
aware of what
second?
I'm doing.
Okay,
She's
that's
in
fine.
no danger.
Can you just stop for a second?
I will
Stand?
stop when you guys f***ing stop.
We're trying to calm the situation, and you're getting all amped up.
It is right here.
She can't. This is it right here.
Hey, this is it right
Are you
here.
ready to
Right,
go
yeah,
now?
because we just pulled up like this right
You have
here.
everything you need. Do you want to go in this Uber?
No, she doesn't. She's just lying.
Okay, give me 1 second to
I
talk
will
to
let
her.
you give her 1 second.
Can
She's
you
just
step
lying
over here,
about
ma'am?
it. No, you want me to f***ing act like I'm not acting like I'm acting right now because you got me acting like I'm acting right now. So keep acting like it's a f***ing front. Sir, you think I want to be like this with you? You think I want to be like this with these motherfuckers? I'm telling you guys right now, I'm a mixed martial artist.
Well, then-
I'm not registered either. So go ahead and prove what I put you in the hospital for. And that's no threat. I put that on your body camera.
This is where things cross a serious legal line. Claiming you could hospitalize officers, repeatedly referencing weapons, and asserting false authority over police. None of that is protected speech in this context. Even without physical contact, verbal threats alone can justify escalation. And here's the irony. The subject keeps saying, "I'm trying to de-escalate," while doing the exact opposite. Audience question: do you think officers should have stepped in sooner here, or were they giving him too much space already?
You don't want to act like this.
I don't want to act like this, and I'm trying not to. So don't f***ing put your demeanor as in if you're going to control me and have any aspect on the way the situation goes.
What's your relationship to him? Is this your boyfriend, or do you want to go with him? Obviously, you guys can't drive, right? Because if you
I
don't play
can
with that,
drive.
we'll see about that.
I can drive.
You can't-
I am
sir, you're
physically
way-
well aware of drive. Just because I'm
You're way
mad,
too
just because I'm bad doesn't mean I'm
Are
intoxicated.
you willing to blow in a PBT to prove that
Hey,
you're
I'm
willing
telling
to
you
drive?
right no, I'm not going to blow nothing for you guys because that's how you guys. That doesn't mean I can't
you
drive.
can't be arrested for DUI if you're not
Exactly.
driving.
You guys have to pull me over afterwards to arrest me for DUI.
So we're just saying if you want to...
So catch me when I leave this property.
This moment is packed with legal confusion. You'll hear him argue that police can't arrest him for DUI unless he's pulled over, which is not entirely accurate. Officers can detain and investigate impairment based on behavior alone, especially on private property tied to a disturbance. Refusing a preliminary breath test doesn't automatically mean arrest, but combined with agitation and threats, it builds probable cause. This is a textbook example of how partial legal knowledge can actually make things worse.
I don't don't want to do that.
I know you won't do that because you'll go about your way and go about your business because I'm telling you right now, this is longevity, brother. I've known her since she was 14. If I would already do something, I would already done it. You guys would already been in a situation where you already could have handled.
What do you
and
want
that's
to
no
happen?
threat. That's a promise.
What do you want to happen?
I want you guys to leave. What are you guys here for? Her, right?
No.
That's right here for me. I didn't call you. I didn't call you guys. I don't need help from you. I'm used to CPD coming at gunpoint.
Well, we're not CPD.
Exactly. So what the is the situation then?
Security called us.
What's the situation, brother?
You're yelling.
I'm used to hey, I'm yelling because you guys aren't understanding me. Do I have to sit for you guys to have you feel a little more comfortable, even though you guys are still in the same situation that you were before? Because I could disarm you and shoot you with your own pistol as the same way I could do whether it was different, right? You guys don't understand that. I'm not registered, and I have lawyer money, so play with me.
Okay. We're not trying to
You're
fight
on camera. I'm on camera, and I know this.
Okay.
I will shoot him dead
We're
and
not
you dead
trying
and
to
him
fight
dead.
with you.
Keep playing with me.
Let's just.
I'm telling y'all right now, I'll shoot that motherfucker dead too.
Why
Because that's
are
gonna be
you
sitting
saying
there.
that?
Because that's
Because
how
why?
synthetic I am. Y'all don't understand where I'm from. I might be white, but I ain't an ordinary white guy.
You want to go upstairs and go back to your room?
Ryan, run it.
Right.
Run it, and you'll see my fucking juvenile record, and you won't be fucking approaching me like you were. You'd be gun strong. Bro, I'm a union carpenter.
Okay,
Why the f would I risk my career for you?
I'm not going to arrest you just because you go on a PD.
You.
It's
The
to
other
make
officer
sure-
will.
Okay.
You know I'm drunk,
He's not
bro.
even supposed to
You
be
know
here.
I'm drunk, bro. I'm not gonna allow to
That's
stay
why-
here. Where the f am I gonna go, bro? Man, bro, I don't like this other officer. Yeah. The fact that he's circling me, bro, I don't like it. Don't circle me, brother.
I just showed up.
I don't give a f if he's showing up.
I just showed up.
If he's a supervisor, then you should be talking about it. You're sergeant, right?
Step back.
Hey,
Ryan.
I'm fine.
Hey,
He's fine.
Don't.
He's f***ing fine.
Ryan.
I'm telling you, you're fine in my
Step back.
demeanor, bro.
Step
I'm not
back.
gonna
Step
do
back.
nothing. Why are you so nervous?
I don't, because I'm not going to let you get in my face.
Why? If I wanted
I'm
to, I'd
smart.
already disarmed you and shot this nigga with his own pistol.
Listen,
with
back
your
up,
own
back
pistol.
up, back up,
I'm
dude.
being fine, bro. Hey,
Back up.
The fact that you're cornering me, I don't like it. I'm telling y'all right now.
Ryan.
I'm telling y'all.
All we need to do
Hey, and
is
this
just
just go
grab the
how
stuff
y'all
and leave
want
us.
it. I'm telling y'all to de-escalate.
We're
And
trying to
y'all are trying to
de-escalate.
escalate. You countering and him circling me.
What are
you
you
being
talking
the
about?
sergeant.
You're screaming, bro.
Hey, because why?
Chill, dude.
Because why? I'm trying to
Chill.
chill. You're starting
Chill.
to circle me. I'm trying
Chill,
to tell you
dude.
to chill, and you're touching me. I'm
Chill.
letting you chill.
I don't let people get in my
Your
face.
body camera's on. Why
Yeah,
are
I
you so
know.
nervous?
I'm not nervous,
Why are you
dude.
so nervous?
I don't let people
You're
get close to
touching
me.
me. I don't give a f-
All we
I'm
need to do.
white.
Back up.
I'm white.
Me too.
I'm white.
What's your point?
What's
Back
up, brother?
up.
What's
Back
up? I'm
up.
a union carpenter.
Back up,
I'm a
dude.
union carpenter, bro.
Watch how the focus shifts here. The situation stops being about resolving the call and becomes about status. Union carpenter, money, lawyer access, race, background. None of that changes police authority, but it does reveal emotional instability. Repeatedly asserting dominance while demanding space is a contradiction officers are trained to notice. Here's a real question for viewers. At this point, do you think this was still salvageable without cuffs? Or had the line already been crossed?
Now, back
Pull
up.
out your taser then.
Back
You're
up.
scary.
All we need to do is grab your stuff. And
What
leave.
stuff?
That's it. Whatever's in the room.
My wallet?
Sure.
Exactly,
That's
dude.
it.
I'm
That's
trying to
it.
tell you, bro.
Tell me what.
From the start.
Okay, tell me what.
I've been trying to leave. She wants to leave. I want to leave too.
That's great. That's
she
all
wants
we
to
need.
flip my f***ing world like every other goddamn day. You guys don't understand who this girl is.
Ryan.
And your sergeant's here and he's walking away from
Listen,
y'all.
he's going to talk to security.
Don't let him get y'all hurt.
He's just going to talk to
I'm
security.
trying to let y'all go.
Okay.
Hey, security don't
Let's
even know
just-
how to handle me. Why
They
y'all
probably
here?
don't. They probably don't.
I'm not trying to do it.
Let's just go grab your stuff and be done.
Then come with me.
Sure. Let's
wanna come with
go.
me?
Sure.
No, you're not going to come.
All right, I'll stay out here.
You are going to stay out here.
That's fine.
Because
Let's
there's
just
no
go
other
grab your
officer
stuff.
I need. Because if I wanted to go how I wanted to
I'll
go,
stay out
and
here.
look, I'll put my hands behind my back.
All right, I
y'all want to
appreciate
feel fucking safe?
You're good. You want to go with them?
You
to
see
grab
that
your stuff?
9mm?
You want to grab? You want
I've
to go
seen
with?
that
You
9mm.
wanna go?
I run towards gun shows.
Okay. Do you want to go with them and grab your stuff?
No, I don't.
Your stuff's in there. He's got to go.
Nah, maybe I want to talk to you. Because you don't want to understand what the situation is. Because you
Ryan,
just pulled up.
you got to back up.
Hey, you just
gotta
pulled up.
back up.
All right, I'll back up. You guys don't understand. I ain't your ordinary white guy. All right? I'm from the hood. I'm from CPD. Pulling up on me at gunpoint.
We get that.
No, you guys ain't already at gunpoint.
Well, we're not going to...
No, why not? I'd have felt more comfortable. I would have felt more comfortable.
We can't...
Isn't that f***ed up? Isn't that f***ed up? You were taking my demeanor differently because I'm some punk white boy, right?
No, it's not true.
No,
Doesn't.
fuck you, dude. You were looking at me some punk motherfucker like you always come across. Man, I already know it.
All right.
You're not looking at me some union carpenter of 13 years, right? I built this fucking building.
What does that have to do with anything?
Exactly.
What does that have to do with anything?
What do you mean? What's that to do with
trying-
anything? You should
you're
take me
being
serious
crazy.
right now. I'm being
You're acting
crazy
crazy.
ass because why?
I don't know why you're being crazy.
Because
bro.
the cops are here. 2 of your officers get disarmed, shot with their own pistols, right?
Back up, dude.
I'm telling you right now, hey, I'm in your demeanor, right? I'm not disarming you, right?
I want space.
I'm not registered. So even if I wanted to prove it, I got lawyer money. I don't give a f, brother.
Why?
Because that's how I am. That's my demeanor. You guys don't understand. I can disarm you f***ers and shoot you blank blank.
We don't want that.
You think I want to go for this man right away?
Okay, listen.
You
Don't
think I
talk
care
that, bro.
about your body cams?
Here's what we need to do.
Okay.
You think I don't distance it right now?
we're gonna find
Like
out.
right now. And you guys understand, I've been on with this before.
Ryan.
I knocked you the f out and go for you, and these two would be stuck.
Ryan.
Even though he would go for the pistol right away. I already know his demeanor.
We're gonna have
You
to
would go for that pistol over that fucking silence.
We gotta find out who he
You would
is.
go for that pistol over
You
that
know,
taser
we're
right?
past that point.
Right.
That's it.
You would
We're
go
past
for that
point.
pistol over that taser, right?
So when you're ready,
I know.
when
That's
you're
the
ready,
only reason why. Because if I didn't knock
All
you two out and
Listen,
take your fucking strap.
you're getting charged with disorderly conduct.
Hey, I'm
Getting charged with disorderly conduct.
how? I
and you're
haven't
getting-
done anything.
Look at you.
What are you talking about? I'm telling you
screaming
guys
and
how
causing
it
a scene.
could be.
Okay, you're getting charged. You're getting charged with disorderly conduct.
Brother,
You understand?
Brother,
Okay,
I'm
you're gonna
telling you
trespass
right
in here.
now, I'm being fined
Okay.
and I'm trying to leave. You
Either-
guys are holding me in the
Either cooperate with us, or you're going to jail.
Bad.
Cooperate with us, or we're going to
Shake
get you
my
to jail.
fucking hand then.
I'm not shaking your hand.
You will shake my hand.
I won't shake your hand.
Why not?
That's
Why
what I
not?
do.
Because you don't believe me?
You want fist bump? We'll fist
No,
bump.
we won't fist bump. That's some shit. You will shake my fucking hand like the carpenter I am.
Is that going to make you cooperate?
No fucking shit. Why am I asking you to shake my?
right.
Are you serious
Shake my
right now?
hand.
No, you.
All right. So you're going to cooperate or no?
Are you serious? You're the sergeant. You want to
We're-
shake my hand?
I said
know
I'll shake your hand.
lieutenants
I
that'll
said I'll
my-
shake your hand.
After I fucking told you how I would be. Are you serious right now?
What do I have to do to get you to cooperate?
Hey, that's all you worried about?
What?
That's all you're worried about?
Yes,
That's all you're
'cause we
worried
want to
about?
get you. We
You
want
sound
to
like
get
a
you.
bitch.
That's fine. Call me whatever you want.
No, I don't want to call you.
Okay.
I'm
So here's what we want to do.
gonna tell you
Okay.
right now.
Listen.
Right goddamn now.
Ryan.
I'm not trying to be on any bullshit. I don't want to take your life. You think I don't want you to go home to your
Calm down,
kids?
brother. Calm down.
You don't think I want you to go home to
right.
your kids?
Are you going to cooperate with us?
I will cooperate.
Okay. Will you walk?
I will leave.
No.
I will leave.
We need to find out who you are.
Yeah. You don't need to identify shit. You don't need to identify shit. I feel bad for y'all. But this is all y'all want to do.
Yes, I know what want to
No, this is all y'all want to do. So go ahead and do what you gotta do. Hey.
Don't.
Guys, chill. I am doing what you're asking.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. We're not doing that.
This is the turning point. Once officers announce charges and issue lawful commands, compliance is no longer optional. Even verbal resistance or tensing up can legally qualify as resisting arrest, regardless of intent. Notice how he insists he's cooperating while actively arguing and pulling away. That's a common misconception. Cooperation isn't about what you say, it's about what you do. This moment seals the outcome of the entire encounter.
Stop fighting!
Stop fighting.
Slow down. Everybody slow down.
Put your hand behind your back.
Hey, you grab this arm?
I'm gonna grab this wrist. Come on, quit resisting.
Guys, I'm not resisting. I'm trying to tell you right now. Undo that fucking cuff on my left wrist. Undo that fucking cuff on my left wrist. You guys are so fucking stupid. I've been cooperating this whole fucking time. Yeah, get me up.
Hold on.
Come on. Yeah, I'll get up.
Watch your face.
Yeah, go ahead, stand me up. You little guys are
Stop. You damage something, I'm gonna catch a felon.
Come on. Oh, they're funny. Like, I don't have the cuffs in front of me now.
Ryan.
Right, keep it up.
Stop.
Right, watch I don't fucking rock y'all, you motherfuckers right there and disarm you. You got me so f***ed up. Yeah, I bet you're scared now. Y'all are forgetting I'm a mixed martial artist, you stupid f***s. I can take your life where you stand, bro, if I wanted to.
The man faces charges of disorderly conduct and resisting arrest, and has been criminally trespassed from the property.
So here's where this case lands. The man is charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and is criminally trespassed from the property. The ruling hinges not on one sentence, but a sustained pattern: repeated threats, refusal to de-escalate, and non-compliance once detention was lawful. The broader takeaway: escalation isn't always about force. Sometimes it's ego, misinformation, and refusal to slow down. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button, drop your take in the comments. Was this avoidable or inevitable? And subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom and police breakdowns.